Did you know that some of the most effective remedies for everyday illnesses are probably sitting in your kitchen right now? It might surprise you to learn that those common ingredients you reach for when making dinner can also help ease headaches, soothe sore throats, and even support your immune system. For centuries, people around the world have turned to their spice racks and pantries, not just for flavor, but for healing. Today, we're going to explore how you can harness the natural power of kitchen staples to tackle common ailments quickly and safely, all without needing to step foot in a pharmacy. Let's start by highlighting a reality that most of us face. Minor illnesses are a part of life. Whether it's a nagging cold, a tension headache after a long day, or a mild stomach upset, these small but bothersome ailments can slow us down and interrupt our routines. Most of us want relief as soon as possible, and we often wish we had a fast, easy fix at home. The good news is, you probably do. Your kitchen is more than a place to prepare food. It's a treasure trove of natural remedies that can help you feel better, faster. Let's take a closer look at 3 superstars of the kitchen that have been trusted for generations: ginger, honey, and garlic. Each one has unique properties that make them powerful allies in the fight against common illnesses. First up is ginger. This knobby root is so much more than a flavor booster for stir-fries or teas. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogals, which have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. When you're battling nausea, whether it's from motion sickness, pregnancy, or even a mild stomach bug, ginger can help settle your stomach in no time. Simply slice fresh ginger and steep it in hot water to make a soothing tea. Not only does it calm digestive upset, but ginger tea can also help relieve congestion and ease a sore throat, making it a go-to during cold and flu season. Next, let's talk about honey. Often used to sweeten drinks and desserts, honey is also a time-tested remedy for coughs and sore throats. Its thick, soothing texture coats irritated tissues, providing almost immediate relief. But honey does even more. It's packed with natural antibacterial properties, thanks to an enzyme that produces hydrogen peroxide. This means that honey can help fight off bacteria and speed healing, especially when used at the first sign of a throat infection. Just a spoonful of raw honey, either on its own or stirred into warm tea, can work wonders. And here's an extra tip. Studies have shown that honey can be as effective as over-the-counter cough medicines for reducing nighttime coughing, making it a great choice for kids over 1 year old and adults alike. Now, let's shine the spotlight on garlic. This pungent bulb is famous for its ability to ward off vampires in folklore, but in real life, it's a powerful immune booster. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is released when you crush or chop the cloves. Allicin has strong antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, making garlic a natural defense against infections. When you feel a cold coming on, try adding freshly chopped garlic to your meals, or if you're brave, mix it with a bit of honey and take it straight. Regularly including garlic in your diet can even help reduce the frequency and severity of colds. But here's a particularly surprising benefit you might not know. Onions, another humble kitchen staple, are packed with quercetin, a natural antihistamine. This makes onions incredibly useful for easing allergy symptoms like sneezing, runny nose, and itchy eyes. Some people even find that placing sliced onions near their bed at night helps them breathe easier during allergy season. And while the science is still emerging, it's a fascinating example of how the simplest ingredients can offer unexpected relief. So, how can you put all this knowledge to work the next time you're feeling under the weather? If you're battling a cold, try making a warming tea with fresh ginger, a spoonful of honey, and a squeeze of lemon. For a sore throat, let honey coat your throat or add it to a cup of chamomile tea. If your immune system needs a boost, incorporate fresh garlic into your dinner or blend it into homemade dressings and dips. And if allergies are making you miserable, don't overlook the power of onions. Add them raw to salads or cooked into soups and stews for a natural antihistamine effect. Of course, while these remedies can be incredibly effective for mild symptoms and prevention, It's important to remember that they're not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment when you need it. If your symptoms are severe, persistent, or worsening, always consult a healthcare provider. To recap, the next time a common illness strikes, look no further than your kitchen. Ginger can settle your stomach and ease sore throats. Honey can calm coughs and fight bacteria. Garlic can support your immune system and help ward off infection. And onions may surprise you with their ability to soothe allergy symptoms. These natural remedies have stood the test of time for a reason. They're safe, accessible, and often just as effective as store-bought solutions for minor ailments. So, the next time you're feeling a tickle in your throat or a headache coming on, remember the healing power of your kitchen. With a little know-how and a few simple ingredients, you can take charge of your health in the most natural way possible. If you found these tips helpful and want to discover more simple, natural solutions for everyday health, make sure to subscribe. There's so much more to explore, and together, we can unlock the full potential of your kitchen for better health and well-being.